Hey folks, wherever you happen to be watching this, just saw some comments and questions about Ecamm Live floating around the internet, and so I thought I'd throw a quick video up on my YouTube channel and wherever else this happens to get watched, showing that you can do Facebook Live from Ecamm Live 2.0 very easily. Once you're logged in with Facebook, you hit the Go Live button. It'll go to whatever page you've got selected over here, or you can schedule it to go live later. That's all well and good, and you're probably aware of that in Ecamm Live. What you may not be aware of is that you can actually go live to other services besides Facebook. You don't have to just do Facebook, so you can do YouTube, Twitch, all the millions of other. You could do a custom restream, like on restream.io. You could put it out to them, and then they could send it out to a whole bunch of other services. So instead of hitting the Go Live button right on Ecamm Live right now, which would send me live to Facebook, I'm going to go up to Options here, and there's a Use Custom Stream Key. It'll present you with this screen where you can put in a custom server URL and the stream key for that URL. And so this is where you need to go to Twitch, YouTube, whatever service you're looking to use, and add and find the custom URL and stream key. So on YouTube, for example, if I go to my YouTube channel here, I can see down here in the Stream Now under live streaming settings, there's this server URL. So I'm going to copy that, paste it in, and then also the stream key, which this will be reset. So you won't be able to use it later, just FYI, if you're trying to hack my YouTube channel. So I'm going to hit Use Custom Stream Key. So now you can see it changed from Go Live to Facebook to just Go Live. And when I hit live now to go live, now we should be, if all the internets are working properly, live. And you can see it just changed. Starting, stream health is still questioned, and going live shortly there. So now we're live. You're live. The internet can totally see you now. To stop, use your encoder. So this will stay going live, obviously, for as long as I want, and then it will stop when I hit stop on Ecamm Live. So the same could be done with Twitch. We use Twitch at goodstuff.fm for podcasts and stuff that we stream out live. You can use this. And so Ecamm, if you're on a Mac, Ecamm Live is a really powerful app for streaming out to Facebook, of course, but also other services. And it's worth checking out if you've had any sort of confusion with using OBS or other streaming software, maybe on the Mac. It's worth checking out because it's a pretty powerful app for not a lot of money, and the folks behind it are really focused on streaming audio kind of software on the Mac. So bye, folks. I'm going to hit finish now, and that'll stop the stream. And now I can see I can go view the post. I don't know if it'll actually, I think those links won't work because it's on Facebook instead of on YouTube, or it's on YouTube instead of on Facebook. And so those folks it won't actually work to hit view post or delete post. It does automatically. I have it set under options. You can see, or recording. I think I have it set to record all broadcasts. So whatever was recorded, it wouldn't show I have ScreenFlow working as well. So that's going to record the video of the whole computer. But what was sent through Ecamm is recorded as well, and I can view that and see that. We use Twitch at goodstuff.fm for podcasts and stuff that we stream. A little lower quality probably than what ScreenFlow is recording, but certainly usable as a backup. So hope that helps you discover the availability and the usability of Ecamm Live a bit, and check it out and try some live streaming next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.